step into the Ram 2018 3500 Chassis Cab Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include gross vehicle weight, 14,000 lbs, power and remote entry group included, premium vinyl door trim with map pocket remote keyless entry power black trailer tow mirrors front one touchdown power windows exterior mirrors with heating element power locks exterior mirrors courtesy lamps exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, tires, LT235/80R17 EBSW all season, STD, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, 3.73 axle ratio Cummins turbo diesel badge current generation engine controller gross vehicle weight, 14,000 lbs smart diesel exhaust brake selective catalytic reduction, area, tow hooks Ram active air, electric shift on the fly transfer case, wheels,